Ready? Go.
Set, go. Welcome to Jaxie's Toy Reviews.
Who's this, Jax?
Red Ranger.
Red Ranger? Do you like Red Ranger?
Yeah, I would like a Red Ranger, but...
Okay, let's take a look at the next one. What's the next one?
Where's the star here?
Mm-hmm.
Let's take a look at my...
X, I want to look at your toys. These toys.
Oh, and this is...
What's his name?
Thor.
Thor. What kind of power does he have?
A hammer.
Hammer? That's cool.
Yeah.
Is that Milner?
Yeah.
So what does he say when he throws the hammer?
Hammer to me.
Alright, let's go to the next one.
Okay.
Who's this guy called?
Spider-Man, that's me.
That's you. What kind of what kind of power do you have? Can you shoot webs out of your hands?
Spiderweb.
Can you shoot webs? Can you swing from building to building?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Wow, look at that. Okay, what's the next one?
Okay. The Flash.
What's his power?
His speed.
He runs really fast? That's good. Is he a new toy?
Yep. He
Who
is.
bought it for you?
You.
I bought it for you, okay. What's the next one?
The next one. Okay. Venom.
Do you like Venom? Is Venom a good guy or a bad guy?
Bad.
But do you like him?
Yeah.
Cool.
He looks like
Alright, show me the next toy.
a toy. Okay. Iron Man.
Which Iron Man is this?
The new Iron Man.
Oh. Do you like this one or the old one?
The old one.
The old one? You don't like this one?
Yeah.
Okay, let's throw it away then.
Are you sure I don't like that one?
Okay, what's next?
The other Iron Man.
You like this one?
Yeah.
Then why do you ask me to buy the other one?
Because I always have it.
Alright.
Captain America.
Captain America!
Yeah.
Team Cap!
Yeah. His power is the shield.
Cool. And he's got superhuman power as well,
Yeah,
right?
I will
Superhuman
show you
strength.
the next one. Be right back. What the? Howard,
Hulk!
Hulk.
Wow, he's a big guy.
Yeah, he's a big one. And there's muscles. Those are muscles.
Show Daddy your muscles.
Smelly feet.
Show Daddy your muscles.
Wow, look at that.
Move on to the next.